Hello guys, today we are doing an unboxing video. This is the NZXT C750 ATX PSU. As you see here, this is the box. This is the back of the box. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is what comes inside the box. We have our manual. And this is our power supply. And these are our cables. Okay, so we have our manual, power supply, power cord, screws, cables, and more cables. So here we have one power cord for our power supply, and we have 3 PCIe cables, which do have splitters, as you can see there. We have 2 CPU cables and 1 cable for your motherboard, and 4 cables for peripherals and SATA. Yeah, and that's about it, guys, for this unboxing video. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.